Hello, welcome to 120 Joyce. Today we're going to be touring Unit 101. This is a 7-unit building located on a very quiet street, walking distance to downtown and many fantastic restaurants, shops, and conveniences. Okay, here we are at the entrance of 101. You walk in and over here to the left is a spacious coat closet. You walk into this nice and bright, airy living room, dining room combined. You have beautiful laminate wood floors. This unit has been completely renovated. Recessed lighting, direct access to a very large patio. Views of the Transamerica building. Here is the kitchen. You have nice stone counters, a microwave, stove, refrigerator, lots of natural light. It is a very quiet building and a very quiet unit. There is shared laundry downstairs in the garage and one car parking available. Here is the full bath. You have a tub and shower combined. Nice glass enclosure. Medicine cabinet, toilet, sink. Lots of storage space in there. And here we are in the bedroom. This is a very large bedroom. It fits a king-size bed and more. You do have recessed lighting. Nice big closet here. And as you can see, it goes all the way back. It's located in a fantastic and very convenient area. Okay, if you are interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks for watching.